To validate your Google Analytics 4 setup, start by logging into your Google Analytics account and selecting the property you want to validate. First, ensure that the Google Analytics 4 tag is installed on your website, as this is crucial for collecting data. You can do this by checking the source code of your website or by using the Google Tag Assistant extension in Google Chrome. Next, verify that data is being sent to Google Analytics 4 by checking the real-time reports. If you see active users on your site, it means that the setup is correct and data is being collected. You should also check the debug view to ensure that events and parameters are being tracked correctly. Another important step is to validate your event tracking. Create a test event on your website, such as clicking a button, and then check the events report in Google Analytics 4 to see if the event was tracked correctly. You should also check that the event parameters are being passed correctly. In addition to event tracking, you should also validate your user tracking. Check that user IDs are being assigned correctly and that user properties are being tracked. This will help you understand how users are interacting with your website and identify areas for improvement. To further validate your setup, use the Google Analytics 4 debugger to check for any errors or issues. The debugger will show you any problems with your setup and provide recommendations for fixing them. You should also check your data retention settings to ensure that you are complying with any relevant data protection regulations. Finally, validate your data by comparing it to other sources, such as your website's server logs or other analytics tools. This will help you ensure that your Google Analytics 4 setup is accurate and reliable. By following these steps, you can ensure that your Google Analytics 4 setup is valid and providing accurate data to inform your marketing decisions.